Welcome to our channel. If you want to manage app permissions on Spotify to control what data and features the app can access on your device, follow these step-by-step instructions. Step 1. Open your device's Settings app and scroll down to find Apps or Applications. Step 2. Locate and tap on Spotify from the list of installed apps. Step 3. Tap on Permissions to view all the permissions Spotify has requested. Step 4. You will see a list of permissions such as storage, microphone, camera, and location. Step 5. Review each permission and decide whether you want to allow or deny it based on your privacy preferences. Step 6. Tap on each permission to change its status. You can choose Allow, Ask Every Time, or Deny. Step 7. For example, if you do not want Spotify to access your location, select Deny. Step 8. On iPhone, go to Settings, scroll down to Spotify, and review the permissions listed there. Step 9. Toggle off any permissions you do not want Spotify to have access to. Step 10. Return to the Spotify app and verify that it still functions properly with the new permission settings. Step 11. Adjust permissions as needed to balance functionality and privacy. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.